New pickup in today from Palace. Let's take a look at what we got. Alright. Got a white Triferg sticker. Let's see. Let's see what we got. We got the Parrot tees. Wow, this one didn't even have a sticker right here. Usually you're supposed to have one of these, but here it is. Parrot Palace 3 t-shirt. Got in the navy, medium. And this should be the white. Take a look at the medium. The navy one. Oh, very nice. Got the little felt underneath the underlining. This is a really nice design. Had to pick it up. Let's take a look at the back. Yeah, this one hard. Take a look. This is Palace on there with the parrot. Very nice. There's like a felt lining all throughout. So I think each colorway had a different colored parrot. But yeah, this is a nice tee. It's the 2 pickups in from Palace. Picked up this navy and the white one. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.